teacher.
So once again, good afternoon. Nice to see you again, guys. Please turn on your cameras, all of you, please.
At Andre. Afternoon, Andre.
Thank
Teacher
you.
Abstain and rest.
Let me see. Thank you so much. Fiorella just joined. Okay, let me move Fiorella and Andres just joined.
Hey.
So the attendance is complete. So, okay, first of all, thank you so much. All of you did the homework. That's a miracle. That's wonderful. Thank you so much. Please keep going with that attitude. So, as you know, today is Monday. As every Monday, we need to start the class checking the homework, right? It was an easy homework, really, really easy. Dalis, do you have access to a platform? Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay, thank you. No worries. Okay, guys, so I'm going to share my screen. Okay, the homework was really easy, right? Let me check it. It was just to make some sentences, right? It says, write 5 sentences using must, rules or recommendation when you are in a library. And write 5 sentences using mustn't, right? Rules or recommendation when you are at school. So, Ariel, could you read one of your recommendation, please? With must when you are in a
In,
library? Ariel,
in my homework.
yes, your homework. Go ahead, please.
Déjame que voy, teacher, aquí que estaba.
Should I share my screen? ¿Les comparto desde mi pantalla y leen ahí?
No, yo aquí ya lo tengo, teacher.
Okay, go ahead. So, thank you. Good afternoon, Fiorella and Andres. How are you doing?
Hi, teacher, fine. Es que no puedo ingresar porque no sé por qué no me cogía el link y ya después me cogí.
Okay, Fiorella. No worries. Okay, Ariel, go ahead.
Yeah. In the library,
Yes,
you must keep your voice down so others can concentrate.
concentrated. Okay, one more. Go ahead, continue.
And the library,
Read your 10 sentences, please. Read all of them.
todo, teacher,
Yes,
todo.
please. Go ahead.
Yeah. And second, you must return the books by the due date to avoid fines. 3. You must put your phone on silence before entering. 4. You must treat the books and material with care. 5. You must follow the librarian instruction at all times.
Librarian's instruction.
Librarian's instruction at all times.
Thank you. Next one.
Rules when you are at school. You mustn't run inside the school building. It's dangerous. Building is dangerous.
Thank you.
You mustn't interrupt the
Interrupt.
teacher with your teacher with they speaking.
Okay.
You mustn't copy someone else's homework.
Okay.
You mustn't leave class without permission. Eso es verdad, teacher, no ponen de pecho.
And finally,
You mustn't bring anything that could distract others.
distract others. Okay, thank you so much,
Others.
Ariel. Good job. Congratulations. Thank you for today's homework. Romina, could you read your sentences aloud, please? Your homework. Thank you.
Okay, first, we have 5 sentences using must. A recommendation when you are in a library. First, we have you must speak quietly in the library. Second, we have you must return the books on time. Third, we have you must keep the library clean, organized. Sorry. Four, we have you must show your library card to borrow books. Finally, we have you must put your phone on silent.
Great.
And with mustn't, we have first, you mustn't use your phone during class. Second, we have you mustn't be late for class. Third, we have you mustn't run in the hallways. And number four, you mustn't eat in the computer room. And finally, we have you mustn't forget to do your homework.
Okay, thank you. So here we have a good recommendation or rules, guys. Please, you mustn't use your phone during the class. Boys. Okay, you mustn't be late for class. Guys, remember, you need to be in time. In time means 5 minutes before, okay? In advance. And you mustn't forget to do your homework. But in this case, all of you did the homework. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Isaac, go ahead, please. Read yours. Thank you, Romina. Good job. Isaac, what happened with Isaac? Isaac left. Oh my God. Okay, Jilansi, go ahead, please.
Okay, the first ones, sentences using must, you must be quiet, you must study, you must be careful, you must line up before you get in the library, you must read a lot. And write 5 sentences using mustn't. The first one, you mustn't talk in class, and you mustn't run in the corridors, you mustn't fight at the school, you mustn't use your phone in the lesson, and finally, you mustn't be late to class.
Thank you, Jilansi. Good job. Fiorella, go ahead before you fail to sleep.
Es que me arden los ojos.
Yes, Fiorella, I'm sorry. Go ahead, please.
Puede compartir, por favor. Es que mi celular está cargando en el otro cuarto.
Okay, for sure. Let me show you your sentences. So go ahead, please.
Mm. You must speak quietly so as not to disturb other readers. All the students must return borrowed books on time.
Thank you. Continue, please.
We must turn off their phones or keep them on silent mode. You must show your library card to borrow any materials.
Materials.
They must help patrons find the resources they
Resources.
need.
Resources.
Resources. Teacher, ¿cómo se pronuncia la de arriba?
Which one?
Borrow.
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 Okay, and the next one.
Resources they need. You mustn't use your phone during class. Students mustn't run in the hallways. You mustn't forget to do your homework. We mustn't eat or drink in the science lab. You mustn't talk while the teacher is explaining.
Thank you, Fiorella. Good job. Guys, I have a question. Do you make up these sentences or do you use something to do it? Sincerely. ¿Se las inventaron o utilizaron algo para hacerlas? Because there's some
Las
sentences
dos cosas, teacher,
that
las
are
dos
really
cosas.
similar, right? Among you. Muchas de sus oraciones son bastante similares. Okay, guys, no worries about that. I don't care about that. I just
Yo le pasé a Fiorella,
in your
profe.
learning, right? In your learning process. Okay, Andres, good afternoon. Do you hear me? Ariel, what happened with Isaac?
Hello, teacher.
Hi, how are you doing, Andres?
Fine.
Isaac.
Teacher,
Ariel.
Isaac, the nation, the computation application.
Why?
Se le descargó.
Okay, please. I need that.
Sí, ya la puse a conectar.
Okay.
Eso está.
Andres, could you help us reading yours, please? Andres,
Repeat, please, teacher.
could you help us reading your homework?
Yes, okay. You must speak quickly in the library.
Okay, thank you. Sorry, Andres. Continue.
Huh?
Guys, most of you have the same sentence. You must speak quietly in the library. Why? Porque la mayoría tienen la misma oración, chicos. ¿Dónde la hicieron?
La hicimos juntos.
Oh, for sure. Okay, Andres, continue, please. Andres, you can continue, please.
Yeah, one moment.
Okay, sorry. Guys, mucho ChatGPT. All of you.
No, teacher, no, nadie hizo nada. Es que nos unimos todos y...
Teacher, yo le voy a decir la verdad porque yo soy muy sincera,
Tell me, Fiorella, please.
Mentira, mentira.
Solo
muy
Fiorella.
honesta.
Tell me, Fiorella, could
Yo
you...
sí, yo sí las busqué porque yo se las entregué como a las 10:30 del domingo porque yo me fui de viaje y me olvidé de hacer el deber y cuando yo llegué como a las 9 no me acordé y revisé la plataforma y tenía que hacer las oraciones y mi mamá me retó, entonces ya pues me tocó buscarlas y copiarlas rápido.
Okay, Fiorella, thank you so much. Guys, but all of you saying, do the same, did the same.
No, teacher, es que hay, Andrés y yo nos hicimos una llamada y nos pusimos a copiar nosotros de la misma.
Okay, guys.
Lo pusimos en WhatsApp, teacher, en WhatsApp.
Okay, guys. Actually, I think IAs are a good tools.
Y ya
If
no
you
usamos,
give
teacher,
them
y
a
ya no usamos.
good use, okay? There's no a problem with that. But the idea is, if you use an IA, at least you're conscious about what are you copy and paste. Chicos, si van a utilizar una IA, a mí no me molesta, son una herramienta muy útil. Pero cuando la vayan a utilizar, al menos
No,
estén conscientes de
teacher.
que están copiando, pegando, ¿cierto? Que al menos sean conscientes de lo que hace, ¿sí? De lo que dice, etc. Okay, thank you. Andres, what happened? Could you continue reading? Okay, actually, Andres, I think Andres is
Mande.
having some issues.
Mande.
Could you continue reading
Okay.
the second one?
You must turn off your phone or set it to silent mode.
Okay, guys, continue.
¿Qué
Continue,
pasó?
Andres, sorry. No, you doesn't are the same.
Son las mismas que las mías, pues eso es lo que pasa.
Okay, guys, continue, please. Okay, Andres, continue.
You must return borrowed books on time.
Okay, next one.
You must
Handle.
handle books with care. You must respect others who are studying.
Studying.
You
Okay.
mustn't. Yeah.
Continue, sí. Finish, please, Andres, sorry. Sorry for interrupt.
You mustn't use your phone during class. You mustn't run in the hallways. You mustn't be late to your lessons. You mustn't cheat on tests. You mustn't disrespect your teachers or classmates.
Thank you, Andres. Here, there's a rule or recommendation I would like to highlight. Guys, please, you mustn't cheat on test. Do you know the meaning of cheat? Sorry. Do you know the meaning of cheat, guys? Como hacer trampa, right? No deben hacer trampa en los tests. Okay, thank you. Isaac, welcome back. Are you there? Do you hear me? Isaac. Okay, at least Isaac do it by herself. That's great. I must study for the exam. You must take a shower. Isaac, could you read your sentences, please?
Yes, teacher.
Go ahead.
I don't use ChatGPT.
I noticed. Thank you. That's great.
Okay, no. I must study for my exam. You must take a shower. She must do exercise. We must walk in the park. He must cook for the dinner. Mustn't. I mustn't study for my lesson. You mustn't take a shower. You mustn't do exercise. We mustn't. Dame comer una palabra. Tenía hambre.
Yes, for sure.
We
Okay.
mustn't walk in the park. We mustn't cook for the dinner.
Okay, thank you. At least you did it by yourself. I appreciate it. Okay, guys, thank you. That was the homework. Dalit, you didn't come the last classes, right? What happened? You missed the last classes. Dalit.
Yes, I have to do some things of my family, but I think that my mom sent a justification. I think.
Okay, no worries. So last classes, we studied must or mustn't, right? And we practice how to make questions, right, guys? So the idea today is to practice verb patterns. Romina, do you know verb patterns? No? Yes? Okay, what about you, Dalis? Verb patterns. Have you studied before something? No? Okay, guys, do you remember Andres, Isaac, Gilansi, Fiorella? Do you remember the topic?
Mustn't.
No.
What topic?
Verb
The
patterns.
last topic?
No. Those topics in which we have to choose if we use infinitive or gerund. The topic you hated. Do you remember?
Yeah.
So the idea today is practice that topic because I know it is difficult. Okay, and first of all, I'm going to share the chart, okay? So let me see. Okay, guys, I'm going to explain again. So this topic is called verb patterns. Let me highlight it. So it's kind of easy. When we have two verbs together, the second verb goes in infinitive or in gerund. Infinitive means 2 plus base form, right? 2 plus infinitive. Or gerund means with ing, right? When we have two verbs together. It's depending of the verb. O sea, depende del verbo que vaya primero. For example, with admire, if after admire goes another verb, that verb goes in gerund. It means with ing, right? Let me see something, right, guys, here. I have an explanation now. Sorry. So, for example, let me see. Here we have some verbs, some example. I would like to go to the party because I enjoy. So notice, enjoy is a verb, right? And after enjoy, there's another verb. When we have another verb after enjoy, the verb go with ing, in gerund, right? For example, number 3, with decide. Okay, now in this case, we have to correct the mistake. So, with the verb want. The verb want is querer, right? After one, when goes another verb, we don't use gerund, we use infinitive. It means Stefan wants to go, right? In infinity. So we have two options. Gerund with ing or infinity with the preposition to. Okay, guys? That's verb patterns. And there's no rules. we need to memorize each verb. So, in this case, with these verbs, all of these verbs, after these verbs, the next verb goes in gerund with ing. I'm going to send this chart through the chat. Okay, give me a moment. File. Give me a moment, guys. I'm going to share with you this. No. Here you go. Here you are. So let's read these verbs. Remember, after these verbs, the next verb goes in gerund. So, Romina, could you help us reading these verbs, all of these, please?
Okay, the first one is admit or admit?
Admit.
Admit. Adore, allow, avoid, can't stand, carry on, consider, deny, delay, don't mind, enjoy, fancy, finish, give up, imagine, involve, keep on, postpone, practice, put off, recommend, risk, and suggest.
Okay, thank you. Any word, a noun word. Romina, ¿alguno desconocido?
I think postpone.
Postpone, como posponer. Posponer.
And allow.
Permitir.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you so much. So remember, this is with ing. If after these verbs, there other verb, that verb goes with ing, in gerund, right? Please keep it in mind. Take a look. Okay, then we have verbs plus infinitive. Okay, so Ariel, could you help us reading this one? This, all of these.
There's ask for, agree, allow, passive, appear, arrange, ask, attempt, choose, there, decide, there, decide, expect, file,
Fail.
orient, help, hope, learn, manage,
Manage.
manage, offer, plan, pretend, promise,
Promise.
promise, refuse, same, them, threaten, threaten, want, would, like to.
So, thank you. So after all this verb, the next verb goes with to, preposition to, in infinitive. Okay, then we have verb plus object plus to plus infinity. It means in the middle of the two verbs, there's an object. Could you help us reading this? Dalis, please.
Advise, allow, ask, beg, encourage, expect, force, invite, order, permit, persuade, recommend, remind, teach, tell, want, warn, would like.
Thank you. So here there are some examples. Could you read it? Dalis, please.
Yes. They invite us to stay in their house. She told me to come on time. They
So naughty.
ask,
Sorry. Continue. Sorry.
they ask us not to make much noise.
Thank you so much. Good job. So here notice that in the middle of the two verbs, invite to state, told to come, ask to make, there's a object. Invite asked, told me, ask us, right? This is what it is. verb plus subject plus verb in infinitive, right? Okay, thank you. Good job. Remember, there's no rules. We need to learn these verbs. There's no rule for this. Okay. We have some special verbs, right? So, Fiorella, could you help us with remember, there's some verbs that could use gerund or infinitive, but the meaning change, right? Fiorella, remember.
When you did something and now you remember it after you did STH.
Something.
Okay, something. After you did something.
This is example.
Example, I don't know how the burglar got in. I clearly remember locking the door and shutting the windows.
Okay, thank you.
Continue.
So, in this case, you remember that you did something, right? Let me see. This is with ing, right? And the next one, Fiorella, with infinitive.
Do something.
Yes.
You remembered that you had to do something, so you did it before you did it. Example, I remember to look the door, but I forgot to shut the windows.
Okay, thank you. Guys, do you notice the difference between the uses? We use the same pattern verb, remember, ¿cierto? Estamos utilizando remember, como el verbo para, ¿cierto? So, after remember, if we use remember that we do something and we remember that we did it, si hicimos algo y recordamos que lo hicimos, o estamos recordando que hicimos eso, entonces utilizamos ing, right? Remember locking here. But is we had to do something, teníamos que hacer algo, and we remember that we did it, y recordamos que lo hicimos, we use infinitive, right? Remember plus infinitive. So, si recordamos algo que hicimos, con ing. Si recordamos algo que teníamos que hacer, con infinitivo. Remember. So, we can use both, but it has different meaning. Okay, Isaac, need.
Sure.
Tell me.
I have a question.
For sure, Fiorella, go ahead.
In the ing, o sea, como que recordamos algo que hicimos, o sea, que ya hicimos.
Yes.
Pero acá, o sea, la otra dice que teníamos que hacer, o sea, que no lo han hecho.
O lo hicieron.
O sea,
Algo
no
tenía
lo
que
han
hacer y
hecho.
lo hizo. O sea, con ing haga de cuenta que está llamando un recuerdo a la memoria, ¿sí? Está recordando algo. Mientras con infinitivo recuerda que tenía que hacer algo y puede que lo haya hecho, puede que no. Pero está recordando es que tenía que hacer algo, ¿sí? Eso es
Sí.
como un recuerdo
Sí.
y eso sí es algo que tenía que hacer. Ok, Fiorella. Thank you so much. Isaac, need, please. Isaac, are you there? Yes.
Read.
Need. This one.
Doing.
Something.
Doing
Something.
something. Something. I don't understand.
Read, please. Read this.
Something needs to be done about something else. The meaning is passive. Passive.
Example. Example.
Look at the room. It needs painting.
So guys,
Eh,
here, notice, with ing means need to do something, necesita ser hecho. En este caso, el cuarto necesita ser pintado. Okay, Isaac, next one, with infinitive.
um, to do something. It's necessary for me to do it. Example, he put on weight. He needs to take more exercise. I need to do the shopping today.
So, with ing, algo que se necesita hacer. Se necesita hacer algo, se necesita hacer por algo más, right? With infinitive es algo que tenemos que hacer por nosotros mismos. Ponernos en forma. Entonces, I need to take more exercise. Or I need to do the shopping today. O necesito hacer las compras, right? Do you notice the difference? Yes, no? Guys. Okay, thank you so much. Do you have any question, please?
No, teacher.
Okay. So, let's continue with regret. Ariel, please. Please.
Regret. Doing
Doing
STH.
something, doing something.
Do. A ver. Todo, teacher. All the regret.
Ariel, could you
Teacher.
read it, please? Puede leerlo, porfa.
Yeah. I did is STH and now I am sorry about it. Example, I now regret saying what I said.
Okay, do you understand? We are regret about something we do, right? Estamos arrepentidos de algo que hicimos. Okay, and next one, Ariel, please, in infinitive.
To do STH, regret to say, they'll in for you. I am sorry, I have to say. Example, I regret to tell you that you have failed the test.
Okay, in this case, with infinity, it means you are going to give a bad news. Están dando malas noticias, right? I regret to tell you that you have failed the test. I think this is easier to understand, right? With ing, we regret about something we did or said. Nos arrepentimos. But with infinity, we are giving bad news. Con el infinitivo estamos dando malas noticias. No es que nos estemos arrepintiendo, sino que es una forma de introducir la mala noticia, right? Okay. Let's do this last one. Stop, Gilansi, please. Gilansi, you need to turn on your microphone, please.
Okay, sorry. Stop. Doing something to give up, finish with something completely.
Yes.
Example, I stopped smoking 2 years ago. I don't do it anymore. To do something, stop doing what you are doing at the moment in order to do something else. Example, I was reading a book.
Yes.
No alcanzo a ver la otra.
Sorry, the phone started.
Okay. I was reading a book. The phone started to ring. I stopped to answer it.
Okay, it's easy. When you use with ing, it's because you never do it again. You stop doing something and you never do it again, ¿cierto? Paran de hacer algo y nunca lo hacen de nuevo. With infinitive, you were doing something and you stop to do something else. Estaban haciendo algo y paran para hacer algo más. Pero no quiere decir que no lo van a volver a hacer nunca más. Con ing, porque pararon, que van a dejar de hacer eso. Por ejemplo, si consumían gaseosa, you stopped drinking soda, ¿cierto? Pararon de tomar gaseosa y nunca más lo volvieron a hacer. Pero con infinitive, I was teaching English and I stopped to go for a drink. Yo estaba dando clases y paré para ir por una bebida, ¿sí? Estaba haciendo algo y paré para hacer algo más. It is clear, guys. Okay, so now please keep in mind this file. I'm sending you through the chat. Now let's practice. So, first exercise, it says, exam candidates often make mistake with ing for and to infinitive. Correct the mistake in each sentence, right? So, it says, I would like to go to the party because I enjoy. The mistake here was dance because after enjoy we use ing, Jeru, dancing. Okay, Dalis, the second one. Thank you for helping me with this.
Okay. Thank you for helping me with this.
So, do you think there's any mistake?
Yes, and help, maybe.
Thank you for helping me
In help.
with this. Which is the mistake in help?
Thank you for helping.
Helping, thank you. Okay, there's another clue. After a preposition, the verbs always goes in gerund. Después de una preposición como for, el verbo siempre va en gerundio, excepto tú. Tú también es una preposición, pero después de tú es infinitivo, ¿sí? Pero si no es tú, si es cualquier otra preposición, siempre van en gerundio. Thank you, Dalis. Good job. Congratulations. Went low. Ariel, number 3.
We decide to buy a new TV.
So, what do you think? Which is the mistake? You can look up the file. Pueden mirar el archivo que le envié.
Okay. You decide.
What do you think?
It's difficult, teacher.
No, you just need to look at the
Both.
file.
Both.
So,
Both.
Fiorella, go ahead, please.
We decided to voting. Vote.
No, you don't. So, be careful. Is the use?
I did, teacher, because decided is a verb.
Okay, yes, but be careful. We don't mix to with ing, right? It is different. To and ing, right? Is it use to? You don't use ing. Is this use ing? You don't use to, right? And this is past, and after to goes in present. So to buy, right, guys? Be careful with that. After to is the base form of the verb, and the base form of the verb is in present. Okay, thank you. Anyway, nice try. Thank you, you too.
Pregunta.
Tell me, Fiorella.
Pero decided no es un verbo y usted me dijo que después de un verbo se usaba ing.
Depending of the verb. Decided is a verb, right? This is the topic. Verb patterns. Two verbs that go together, ¿cierto? Dos verbos que van juntos. Decidir y comprar, los dos son verbos. ¿Quién va a decidir si el segundo verbo va en infinitivo o en gerundio? Es el primero, ¿sí? Ese es quien dicta en qué forma va a ir el segundo. Y con decided decimos que va en infinitivo, o sea, con tú. Pero mire que este está en pasado. Eso es un error. Nosotros no utilizamos tú y el verbo en pasado. Utilizamos tú y el verbo en presente, ¿sí? Entonces el error era ese, que el verbo estaba conjugado en pasado y tenía que ser en presente. Por ejemplo, tell me.
O sea que, por ejemplo, como decided va con tú, iría tú. Y pondríamos si el verbo está en pasado, lo pasamos a base form.
Yes, aunque no debiera pasado. Por eso estas oraciones tienen errores, ¿cierto? La idea es corregirlos, porque están mal.
Okay.
Y por ejemplo, miren con enjoy. Enjoy y dance. Los dos son verbos. Miren que enjoy, en la primera ejemplo hay enjoy, dance. Pero la regla es que después de enjoy, el verbo que sigue tiene que ir con ing, en gerundio. I enjoy dancing. Here, as Dalis mentioned, thanks for you helping me. After thanks, como agradecer, the verb goes in with ing. Okay? Thank you. In Jerum, thank you, Pirela. Jilansi, number 4, please. I would like
to visit your country.
to visit. Thank you. You're right. Romina, number 6.
Stefan, number 6 or
Yes,
number
please.
5?
6.
6. I hope to hear
Hear from you soon. Thank you. Isaac, next one.
We haven't got. Wait. Hmm.
So Isaac, here the verbs are have got and play, right?
¿Qué?
So this is verb, object, and verb, ¿cierto? So, which is the mistake? We got a little table for. ¿Cómo cambiaría este verbo?
For play, ¿no?
Playing. Thank you. Remember, after a preposition, like for, the verb goes in gerund. This is another clue, right?
Profe, ese es el apóstrofe de have,
Yes.
pero have no es un verbo,
Yes. El verbo tener, have got.
pero hay dos verbos, pues.
Yes. That's the
¿Qué?
idea, Isaac. That's the topic. Two verbs that go together, chicos. Ese es el topic, de eso se trata el tema. Dos verbos que van juntos.
De eso estamos
¿Qué?
hablando, pues, Isaac.
¡Wow! Me volví
Okay.
loco.
Guys, please, if you have any question, let me know. Okay.
Lleva 43 minutos el profe hablando de eso.
Okay, Andrés, go ahead.
Hey,
Please.
yo
Number
tengo
8.
problemas de internet.
After seeing the film, I will go to the cafe.
After seeing, because of the preposition. Remember, after a preposition, the verbs go in gerund. After seeing the film, I will go to the cafe. Thank you, Andres. You're right. Good job. Okay, complete the sentence with the ing form or to infinitive of verb in brackets, right? So, Dalis, the first one, please. The second one, I mean. Okay, I promise to phone you as soon as I get home. So, Dalis, please, the second one.
Can you finish washing the car before Dad comes back?
Washing the car before the dad come back. Thank you so much. Good job. Congratulations. Okay, next one, Ariel, please.
Do you think Martin would like come
Would like,
with
we need to decide to come or coming.
to coming, teacher? Coming.
To come.
Yo le dije, teacher, come. Sí, ¿verdad?
To
Yo dije,
come.
yo dije primero to come, teacher.
Okay, guys, remember, you can look at the file. There's no problem. Chicos, como lo estamos apenas memorizando, pueden mirar el archivo, no hay ningún problema. The idea is to learn. Okay, next one, Jilansi, I don't mind.
I don't mind walking to school when
Walking.
it's sunny.
Thank you, Jilansi. Good job. Fiorella, learn.
One moment, please.
No worries, take your time.
Are you going to learn driving?
Do you shake it? Are you sure about that?
One moment, please.
No worries.
Tienes que ver. Right. Y si drive no está en la tabla.
Learn. Wait,
No, o sea,
let me
pero
see.
learn is con tú.
Learn is con to. Okay. Oh, sorry. Learn. Learn is here, right? With to. Okay. To learn. To drive. To drive. Okay. Thank you. Next one. Isaac. Susan.
Susan looks really happy about passing.
Passing after a preposition. We use Jerome. Easy. Thank you, guys. You're on fire. Good job. Okay, next one. Andres. Okay, matching the verb with the parents. Match the verbs with the parents. They use gerund or infinitive. Decide. Infinitive or gerund. Andres. I mean,
Please,
to
teacher,
or
sorry.
ing.
No puedo leer el texto de arriba, teacher.
Sorry. I mean, you need to decide is after this verb you use to or you use ing.
Sorry. Eh,
What do you think?
tengo que decir.
To or ing. Decide.
Sería con ed, supongo, ¿no?
What do you think? With ed? No.
No, okay.
What do you think? With, look at here. With infinitive, right? Look, decide with infinitive. So, to, in this case. Okay, Romina, avoid.
We use the gerund, the verb in ing.
Jerome, ing. Thank you. Good job, Romina. Dalis, enjoy. To or ing?
Maybe ing.
Ing. Thank you. Guys, before I forget and before leave, I need to take the attendance. Casi se me olvida, chicos. So, give me a moment. So, I remember to take the attendance, right? Me acordé que lo tenía que hacer. Okay, give me a moment. Thank you. Okay, and Fiorella, the last one, please. This one, promise. Fiorella, are you there? Okay. You need to turn on your microphone, Fiorella.
Nice is infinitive with
Yes, to.
to.
Thank you. You're right. Okay, guys. Thank you so much for coming. I know it's not an easy topic. It's not difficult. We just need to learn to memorize these rules. So tomorrow we can practice a little bit more. So please check the file I sent you. Fiorella, bear with me, please, 5 minutes more, And guys, thank you for coming. See you tomorrow and take care. Bye-bye. Thank you so
Bye,
much.
teacher.
Bye.
I
Bye,
take care.
bye. Bye, Isaac, Ariel. Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Una cosita,
Tell me, Alice, for sure.
con la plataforma como para las tareas y así.
¿Ya tiene acceso?
No,
Entonces, tiene que escribir atención al cliente y preguntar por su acceso a la plataforma. Entonces, las tareas cada jueves, ahí están las clases por fechas y el tema que se vio y los recursos que se usaron. Y cada jueves va a haber una sección que dice Homework. Ahí es la tarea. Clique ahí y ahí le va a abrir pues, ya la descripción o el link o lo que tenga que hacer de tarea. Como apenas ingresó, ¿cierto? Le van a aparecer todas las tareas que hay. Lo que tiene que hacer es a cada una de esas tareas responder, ingresé en junio. ¿Sí? Solo eso. Y ya en la tarea más reciente, digamos en la de la semana pasada, esa sí la puede hacer. ¿Sí? En la de, creo que fue el 5 jueves 5. Esa la puede hacer. El resto simplemente coloca ingreso en junio. Ya, eso es todo. Y entonces en adelante, cada jueves hay tarea.
ok, ya.
Okay. Thank you so much,
Gracias.
Lali. Bye bye.
Chao.
Take care. So, Fiorella, let's practice a little bit more. I know it's not easy, but you're so smart. Suggest.
Mm, in
Here.
with ing.
ing. Suggest. ing. Hope. What do you think?
With infinitive too.
Infinitive. To. Admire.
Ing.
Awesome, Fiorella, you're on fire. Offer.
Mm,
Here. Offer. With this is infinitive.
two.
With
Infinitive.
thank you, Fiorella. I know it's not easy. That's why we're practicing. There's a lot of things to learn about. Okay. Now, complete this one. Decide.
Decide to go to the gym after work.
Thank you. Enjoys.
She enjoys reading.
Reading. Thank you. Promise.
Commands to help.
To help. Thank you. You're right. Suggest.
They suggest shaving.
Marvin. Okay. Next one. Avoid.
We avoid talking.
Talking. Awesome. Offer.
She offered to drive.
To drive. Cheat.
Mm, I don't know.
Admit with ing, right? So,
He
cheating.
admits cheating.
And hope.
I hope to see.
I hope to see. Sorry, you're right. Hope to see. Thank you, Fiorella. That's all for today. Thank you so much for coming. See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.